name Sen.
How old are you?
18, half.
What do you do as a job?
Tourist guide. Tourist information.
Where are we going today?
Today we're going to the Dala, which is my city, my village.
What will we see there?
You can see everything, tsunami village and pagoda and free pagoda. You don't pay the need the money. Yangon you pay every pagoda a lot of money. The other side is a free everywhere. Because other side have a lot of people living and the poor people. They need their only happy to meet the friend with the tourists. That's why they happy. You see other side there having a pagoda in the market and orphanage school, as well bamboo village and bamboo house. They making all the pottery, pottery. And the pottery is make the hand. A lot of people live there. They have this country, Japan country, people donation in this ferry. About the tree ferry. Cherry flower is the lucky flower with the Japan. That's why they would like to get in Myanmar to meet. They need the friendship in the Myanmar. That's why they give the ferry boat. The name is Cherry 1, Cherry 2, Cherry 3. About tree ferry. Now it's before Myanmar boat if they going in combat, maybe 40 minutes to go in combat. Now Japan boat is very quick in Myanmar. It's going in combat every 20 minutes. River. It's very downtown. It's Ayeyarwady sea ocean. This is Ayeyarwady River.
Yeah.
You know Bagan Mandalay?
Yeah.
Before Bagan Mandalay going to the boat.
Yeah. Yeah.
In the ferry, in the
Yeah.
boat, and they're going to the Bagan Mandalay. This is the downtown.
Yeah.
It's going to the boat. But now it's already expensive with a lot of boat. Many tourists they don't use it.
Yeah.
That's why not enough for the no walk.
Yeah, they just do bus.
That is very cheap.
Yeah.
If aeroplane to Bagan, you pay $110 for aeroplane.
Yeah.
The boat is a 160.
What?
Especially.
Yeah.
A lot of people walking in here. They want to walk in the tractor driver and motorbike driver. Only two jobs in here. You see, they are selling mango.
Yeah.
It's from another city.
Yeah.
But they bring the boats. They're selling here. A small boat jetty in here.
Yeah.
Small boat store in here and car on the other side.
So many boats.
Yeah, there's so many boats. Is a fishing boat.
Yeah.
They walking in. My father is also walking in a fishing boat. This boat.
Yeah.
Today evening time, 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock. This boat going for the sea ocean.
Yeah.
Then they walking finish and the morning 5 o'clock early coming here. They going the market to selling with the people and the fish.
Yeah.
They are electric tower.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Before there electricity no have.
Yeah.
It's very busy in here. That's why I give the electricity in here.